It's Friday again, and we are here for the free internship in data science and data analytics. So, this session is all about free internship in data science and data analytics by 360DigiTMG. This is the 360DigiTMG's contribution to the data community. So, let me start the session by congratulating you, friends. Now, congratulating you for what? Congratulating you for choosing to upskill your career in the field of data analytics and data science. Upskilling is not that easy. People give up when they try to upskill, but you're choosing to upskill yourself. And that's the reason you deserve congratulations. Now, we all know when it comes to practical life, there's vast, it's completely different from theoreticals, right? Whatever you study in college is completely different from what happens in practical life, right? So when you talk about this internship will be an exposure to what happens in that practical life, right? So talking about this internship, it will be in two phases. The first phase will be learning phase, where you'll have questions related to where you'll get three videos related to Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. You'll get LinkedIn questions, and you'll need to answer those in comment section. What will happen here? First of all, how to get enrolled. You are part of a community, and in that community, there will be a Google form that will be posted by our team. And once you fill that Google form, our backend team will contact you. And in 24 hours or so, you'll get LMS access. Now, what is LMS and how it looks like? This is what LMS looks like, right? So this is learning management system. You'll get access to the same. You'll get three videos every single day. You just have to see those videos, click on assessment. Once you click on assessment, you go here directly to 360DigiTMG's LinkedIn page. This is our LinkedIn page. Of course, now here you'll have sessions. By the way, we just saw what we saw. Let me just show it to you. I can see this is our CEO, Mr. Bani Kumar Dipuru, with at Biologically Limited, along with our students, some of our students, right? Now, we take our students to basically different client visit and all. And yes, this is the actual proof of it. Yeah, right. So when you join here, you can be part of that too. Of course, you'll need to make sure that you are studying very hard and you're actually coming here and participating a lot to do your work diligently. And yes, you will reap rewards. Now let me go back. There will be learning assessment. There will be questions related to CRISP MLQ, SQL, and Python every single day. And you'll need to answer and you'll need to comment in the comment section. It's a subjective question, so answer, of course, will be subjective. And what we need to do is, once we are done with it, answer and keep answering every single day. Once that part is done, we will be moving to the second phase, that is project phase. So we shall assign an expert data scientist for this phase with rich experience of working on real world projects, and they will guide you throughout the project. So there will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for next day and any risk or challenges that you have. We shall be discussing about this when we reach this phase. Now, upon completing this project successfully, you will be awarded an internship certificate, project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. This is free internship, and as we say, certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the completion of project. This program will start from Monday, 27th January 2025, and you need to make sure that you fill that Google form that will be posted in the community by Sunday evening. Make sure you do that. Right, this is what the certificate looks like. Now, there are some frequently asked questions related to the session, related to the program itself. First of all, completion of learning phase. Participants must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task. Please reach out to us for support if needed to interns1@360dmg.com. Talking about LMS credential issuance, we expect patience during this process, and we The LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued. An internship continuation in case of emergency. Exactly. If you are unable to complete the internship due to work commitments or personal emergencies, please email us at interns1@360DigiTMG.com. Include any relevant documentation or proof. You'll be assigned an upcoming internship. Internship certificate policy. Internship certificates will be issued only upon the successful completion of all required documents. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for certificate. When you talk about delays in the project, they are not permitted. If you miss the deadline, you'll need to join the next project, a badge, and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. Now, this is regarding the program. What do we offer at 360D What do we offer to you so that you succeed? Other than that, how can we help you in succeeding? Now, here, this is basically mind map. This is our website. You can come here. We talk about courses and all here. Right? You can see a lot of courses that are available. Why choose us? Dynamic learning experience. Talk about our alumni network. You can just go around and see. Prestigious corporate connections and industry consulting vertical and not all those things. You can come up here and search for the same and see the same. Talking about learning resources, this will be helpful for you. These are just upcoming sessions. Core learning resources. This is basically digital learning library, digital learning ebook, which you'll read here. Which will you read here? And that is useful, very much useful. When you talk about AI Design Studio for ML, as a beginner, as an intermediate, or someone as an advanced, you have complete architecture from end to end, right? That will be really helpful for you, and that will actually make sure that you impress your employer, right? And talking about career advancement, professional growth, we have Resume Optimization Hub where you can go and search for the skills merging in the resume and see see how to improve your resume there. Talking about latest job vacancies, you can apply here. Right, a lot of vacancies we have here, and take the first step to a dream job. What do you need to do? You just need to connect in that way. You just need to send your resume if you are fit for the job. Talking about the next part, that is conceptual understanding, insightful learning. We have strategic learning map where you can come here. For example, we have Python program fundamentals. You can come here and click anywhere to see what's there, right? So that you can come here and explore a bit. You learn a lot from here. Talking about innovative project showcase, we talk about few of the projects that we have done at ASPI. We have mentioned the business problem, the problem basically the client was facing, and all those things. Animated Insight series will be useful for you. Going further, right, data types, if you see, there will be Animated Insight series, and all those things are present here in our website itself, right? You can come here and see here, you'll learn a lot here from here. Talking about other things, we have our YouTube channel where you can come and see the playlist. For example, here we have again Python EDE, IDEs, resume building sessions, international research publications. Our students get their paper published. In fact, top 3 students get their paper published. Prospective analytics, education analytics. There are a lot of domain analytics videos, there are soft skills videos, right? Excuse me. All these things are really very much useful. Now, excuse me. Going further, we have Industry Connect, where we talk to people who are already in the industry and how they got there. Right? We talk about placement success stories. You can come here and see the placement success stories that we have. All these are our placement. Now, talking about their branch, most of them were from non-IT background, right? Maybe from engineering, BA, BCom, doesn't matter. All these people, most of these, in fact, are from non-IT background. So yes, when you join here, you can just come here and see their videos, how they got there, and how 360 helped them. Right. So talking about this particular project, let me just revise it again. Talking about this project will be in two phases: learning phase and project phase. Learning phase basically will be in, having Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. You'll get 3 videos every single day in your LMS account, and you'll be solving those questions, clicking on assessment that will take you to the LinkedIn page. You'll need to answer questions there. You have Python, SQL, data preliminaries videos. Make sure that the Google form that will be posted in your community, you need to fill that form and you will get access to the learning management system. Please fill the same by Sunday evening, 5 p.m. Talking about the next phase, there will be project phase, which shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects and they will guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday, to discuss what is done, what must be done for the next day, and any risk or challenges that you have. And we shall discuss this when you reach this phase. Upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. This free internship and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the completion of the project. And this is how the certificate will look like. This program will start from Monday, that is 27th January 2025. So, this is it from our side today, team, and we'll meet again next week with a new project. Till that time, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your week, and yes, please sign in to that Google, please fill the Google form, get LMSSS, and start studying, team. Happy learning, happy working, and yes, rock the project. You'll learn a lot. This is sure. Okay, team. Take care. Bye. Good night.